You are highly welcome, our beloved audience on Mose Entertainment. I greet you. How are you in this evening? Today we are having a program about the wars that are experiencing in the country of DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. I'm here to share the reasons why the wars will not be easy to end in the country of DRC. First of all, my name is Mose Noah. My channel is Mose Entertainment. Before you continue, please make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment. Maybe if you have a question about maybe that is concerned with this program that I'm going to give you today. This program, as I have told you, is all about the wars that are being experienced in the country of DRC. First of all, DRC, that is Democratic Republic of Congo, in full. Country of DRC is the second largest country in Africa. In African countries, Congo is the largest country, basing on the population, fertile soils, and the leading producer in minerals. Congo is the wealthy country all over the world, basing on the minerals. For example, copper, aluminium, zinc, cobalt, tin, and so on. Congo is having many mineral deposits that are in Congo. Congo, it has been a chaos. Congo has been confirmed as a chaos country in mineral deposits. And the minerals that are being mined in Congo has been a chaos, whereby it is putting the whole Africa in danger. How? See how the minerals in Congo are working. For example, we have nuclear bombs that now are being made in the country of United States of America. There are some nuclear bombs that were put in the city of Hiroshima, in the country of Japan. See how people died. Some they were producing people with disability. But now, also Congo has produced many minerals. For example, in making golden watches, telephones. There is what we call tantal that allows the network platform on the smartphone. Also, they are there. Let us continue to our main issues about the reasons why wars will not end in DRC. First of all, before I go any further, DRC is the most country with different tribes. When I say tribes, Congo is having 450 different tribes. And per now, it has been confirmed that the main conflicts in Congo is tribalism. When I say tribalism, is where you find people are having racial segregation by declaring that these are not real Congolese. For example, in Ituri, province of Ituri, people are dying. People are migrating, are running their country because of that conflict. You see how this group of rebels, M23, when I say M23, that is a group that begins in 23rd March. That is the name of the group, M23. M23 has been claiming that they are fighting for their rights. And in fighting for their rights, they are the ones who are killing people. They are the ones who are doing bad things. They are the ones that are putting the country in danger. That is the first reason. The second reason is on the leaders that are leading the country of DRC. For example, in 1961, when Lumumba was being assassinated, Lumumba was assassinated in 1961 by the mercenaries of Belgium, by the support of military coup of Mobutu Sese Seko Wazabanga. Mobutu was involved in the killing of our prominent Patrice Emery Lumumba. Congo, Mobutu Sese Seko Wazabanga, by that time he was having an agreement with Tutsi Empire to support him after getting the power, that he will divide the country into two equal parts. That is North Kivu and Sud Kivu, where Sud Kivu is South Kivu, and North Kivu. After entering into the power, he betrayed them and ordering the whole country that wherever you will see a baby or all the Tutsi, kill. You have to kill. And it's the main reason, and this is the reason why Congo is experiencing these civil wars, whereby M23 on the regime of Mobutu Sese Seko Wazabanga, there are some Rwandans who entered the country of Congo and given the citizenship cards. After getting those citizenship cards, they were confirmed as Congolese. After betraying them, now they decided to go back in their homeland country, where Congo always claimed that is the Republic of Rwanda. Then those people formed a group of, first they formed CNDP. CNDP failed, now they formed M23. M23 has been a chaos in the country of DRC. DRC now, the people are crying, are suffering, are being killed, are dying. Some are losing their jobs. They are not working at large as they have been before. Congo will never get peace. For example, see, in the regime of Joseph Kabila, Joseph Kabila, after seeing that M23 is a chaos in his country, he decided to hand over to the current president, now Felix Tshisekedi Tshilombo, who is per now is being called the Fachi Beto. After handing over, he was not satisfied. Is the now confirmed Kabila is now confirmed as the leader of M23 group. Please tell me, are you agree that Congo will get peace? Are you agree that the wars will end in Congo? On my side, that is impossible. I'll have to support my answer. Why is it impossible? Congo has made many mistakes by trusting foreign countries. For example, Belgium. Belgium is the foreign country that is having mercenaries, many leaders, many prominents in Africa. We have many presidents that have been killed by the mercenaries from Belgium, the country that is being trusted by Congo. Long ago, Belgium was in Congo. Belgium was in Congo, but Mobutu Sese Seko was abandoned. He made a decision by dismissing them in his country. But now, Felix Tshisekedi Tshilombo wants to return them back in Congo. Lumumba is the one who led Congo to independence, but was killed by the Belgian mercenaries. Why do they want to return back Belgium in Congo? It's not good to return back them in Congo. Secondly, I'm going to talk about on the United States of America. United States of America was involved in supporting M23, and I'm sure 100%. Minerals that were mined by the M23 were taken to Rwanda and confirmed by Rwanda after they take them to America. If you don't agree with me, where do M23 get weapons to fight Congo? Where do M23 get power to defeat Congolese? Make sure you subscribe my channel and you like and comment. Congo has requested United States of America for its support, and they made an agreement by giving them mineral deposits. That's where also will be an increased wars, whereby America is going to fight with China in Congo. Congo, what I can say, Congo is a stadium for wars. Actually, they have to set Congo as the theater for the wars. Putin, the famous president, whom we believe for the country of Russia, He once told Felix Tshisekedi Tshilombo, if he wants to win this war, if he wants to set his country and get peace, he needs to leave these foreign countries, because these foreign countries are like him. I agree with that. Another issue, Congo will never get peace. Why? Congolese, the people from Congo are fighting for themselves. For example, they claim that M23 is coming to take their minerals. But what I'm sure of is there are some Congolese that have never seen any minerals in Congo. Those minerals are being mined by the government, by the M23. You have to work for your own. But don't say that let me join the army and I still know. You are destroying your properties. Congolese are killing them, are killing their comrades. They kill their families just for nothing. You see? M23 now is claiming he's a Congolese. For example, like a Colonel Nanga, he was once a chairperson of Electoral Commission in the country of Democratic Republic of Congo. But now he's the one who is leading M23 group. The day when Congolese will confirm that we should not fight for ourselves, we have to stay in harmony. We have to cooperate with others. We don't isolate people. For example, if they are coming from Uganda, give them peace and they live with you. They'll teach you some techniques. They'll bring some innovation skills that you don't know. That was an example. If that day reaches, Congo will automatically have peace. 100%. And if they continue claiming that Congo, because of its wealth of minerals, that's why wars will not end in DRC. Indeed, yes, because minerals will not, even if they mine 99% of the minerals in Congo, they will never finish them, because Congo is having many mineral deposits. So that is my program. What I can say goodbye, but make sure you subscribe my channel, you comment, you like and share. I love you so much. I love you so much. Have a good evening.